Dr. Jason. Today we're going to do an adjustment on Jackson. We're going to do an anterior thoracic adjustment and a side posture. So, all right, watch your chest, buddy. Good. All right, lay on your side, buddy. Let's get the other side.
My ride's here, neither.
All set. Tell the camera how you feel. All right, thanks, Tony.